Hello students, welcome back. Now this video onward we will discuss the further concept of circle. So why to wait? Let's start. Now student, let's discuss the theorem of external division of secants. Means the secant means you can write the chords. Chord is a part of secant, you know. Now in the previous video we have discussed about this property based on angle. Now we will discuss based on sides. Now both these secant intersect at point P, which is outside the circle. So how you can apply this property? All distances you have to start with P. Once you have to move along with 1 secant, then you have to move along with second secant, as I have shown with the arrow. So your property will be PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Now student, the next theorem is the theorem of internal division of secant. Now secant means the chord only. Now here two chords AB and CD, they intersect inside. Chord always intersect inside. Now this intersecting point is P. Now how to apply this property? You have to start all distance with P. Once you have to consider one chord and then second chord. So how you can write this property, students? PA into PB is equals to PC into PD. So if any if three distances are given, you can find out the unknown fourth. Suppose I am giving you PA, PB, PC. Then by applying this property, you can calculate PD. Now student, theorem of intersecting tangent and secant. In this figure, PA is the tangent, while PC is the secant. So theorem of intersecting tangent and secant you can write as property of intersecting tangent and secant. In that, the square of this length of the tangent secant will be equal to product of these two parts. All distance you have to start with P. So your PA square will be equal to PB into PC. Now student, in this figure, ray PQ touches the circle at point Q. PS is your secant. PQ is given 12. PR is given 8. You are asked to find out PS and RS. So let's solve this sum. Now first of all, you can apply the theorem of intersecting tangent and secant or property of intersecting tangent and secant. You know how to apply. PQ square equals to PR into PS. Previously I discussed, you can write the reason, either theorem of intersecting tangent and secant or property of intersecting tangent and secant. Now substitute the values. It's 12 square equals to 8 into PS. So your PS will be 12 into 12 divided by 8. 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 1s are 2 6s are. So your PS is 18. So you got your one distance. Now second distance is asked RS. When you look at the figure, your PS is made up of two segments, PR plus RS. Now your PS you have calculated now only. It's 18. PR is given 8. So now you can easily calculate RS. So your RS will be 18 minus 8, that is equal to 10. So this way you can calculate both the distances. Now student, let's solve this sum. In this, chords intersect inside the circle. So you can apply the theorem of internal division of chords or secants. RD is given 15. DS is given 4. MD is given 8. You are asked to find out DN. You know all the distances, you have to start with D. So your DM into DN will be equal to DR into DS. What reason you will write? Theorem of internal division of chords or secants. Now substitute the values. This is 8. DN is unknown. DR is 15. DS is 4. So your DN will be 15 into 4 divided by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are 15 by 2. When you convert into decimal, it will be 7.5. Now same sum, but the measurements are different. Now RS full is given 18. So if this part I am considering X, this will be 18 minus X. Okay. Now MD is given 9. DN is given 8. You are asked to find DS. So same way we will apply. Your DS into DR will be equals to DM into DN. What's the property, student? Theorem of internal division of chords or secant. Now your DS is X. This is 18 minus X. And this is 9 into 8. When you multiply X, it will be 18x minus x square will be equal to 72. So your minus x square plus 18x, when you transfer 72 this side, you will get the equation like this. It's a quadratic. First term should never be negative. Change the sign of whole equation. Negative will become positive. Positive will become negative. You will get the equation like this. Now you require two factors whose multiplication is 72 and addition is 80. So it will be 12 6. So x square minus 12x minus 6x plus 72 equal to 0. I am writing directly. When you take common, you will get two factors like this. So you have one of the value of x. When you take x minus 12 equal to 0, your value of x is 12. When you take x minus 6 equal to 0, your value of x is 6. X you have considered ds. So your ds is either 12 or your ds is 6. So when your ds is 12, dr is a 6. When your ds is 6, your dr is 12. But when you look at the figure, actually the ds is smaller one. So actual value is 6. But both the possibilities are there. Thanks for watching this video, students. Hope you have understood whatever I explained in this video. Now, if you have any doubt, you can comment or mail. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.